and welcome to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for automotive insights and cutting-edge car reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Civic, a model that redefines what a compact sedan can be. Whether you're a longtime Civic fan or just curious about what's new, this is the car that might just blow you away. Sleek, modern design. The 2025 Honda Civic arrives with a bold, sleek design that seamlessly blends elegance with sportiness. Honda's designers have given the Civic a sharper front fascia, complete with slim LED headlights and an aggressive grille that screams sophistication. The side profile boasts clean lines and a slightly lower stance, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining that signature Civic look. At the rear, the Civic is equally impressive. The tail lights feature a striking angular design, and the integrated spoiler adds a sporty flair. This time around, Honda has also introduced new alloy wheel options, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, ensuring there's a perfect match for every style preference. Interior, comfort and technology. Inside, and the 2025 Honda Civic welcomes you with a cabin that's all about refinement and innovation. High-quality materials dominate the interior, including soft-touch surfaces and optional leather upholstery. The dashboard has a minimalist design, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with technology. The centerpiece is a 10.2-inch digital driver display paired with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as integrated apps like Spotify and navigation tools. A premium Bose audio system elevates the experience, making every drive a concert on wheels. Honda has also ensured maximum comfort with features like ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof available on higher trims. Rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom, and the trunk offers plenty of space for all your cargo needs. Performance meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Civic delivers performance options to suit a variety of drivers. The base engine is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, offering a respectable 158 horsepower. If you crave more excitement, the turbocharged 1.5-liter horsepower, ensuring responsive acceleration and smooth highway cruising. For the eco-conscious, Honda hasn't forgotten you. The Civic now comes with an optional hybrid powertrain, which combines a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors for a combined output of 204 horsepower. This hybrid variant not only delivers impressive power, but also offers exceptional fuel economy, estimated at over 50 miles per gallon. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the refined suspension and precise steering, which make the Civic a joy to handle on twisty roads or city streets. Honda has also introduced a new CVT gearbox with improved responsiveness, alongside a manual transmission option for purists. Advanced safety features. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. The Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies comes standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. New for 2025 is a 360-degree camera system, available on higher trims, which makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. The Civic also features enhanced structural integrity, ensuring top-tier crash safety ratings and peace of mind for every journey. Trims and pricing. The 2025 Honda Civic is offered in several trims, including the base LX, mid-range Sport, luxurious EX, and the fully loaded Touring. Prices start at around $24,000 for the base model, with the Touring trim reaching up to $31,000. The hybrid variant is slightly more expensive but offers significant savings in fuel costs over time. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Civic represents a perfect balance of style, performance, and practicality. It's a car built for the modern driver, whether you're commuting to work, taking a weekend road trip, or simply enjoying the open road. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest in the automotive world. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Civic. Could this be your next car? Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.